Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to this new video. It's in continuation of the Azure DevOps series. So in today's video, I'm going to share a brief about work item view in Azure DevOps. So I'm sharing the Azure DevOps that I have set up. And if I just click on the overview here, we can see the project details. So this is about, Agile Scrum Project 2023. Now, how we can navigate to the work items view. So if we see on the left side, we have board and very on the top, we can see the work items. So if I click on this one, this will give us the work items view. So work items has different capabilities. We can define a new work item, be it like epic, feature, or user story, depending upon how the board has been configured. So different options will come. We can create all these work items. So uh, in today's video, we are just going to focus on the first four options that we see here, like the assigned to me, following, mentioned, and my activity. So basically, like a lot of team members, they keep on using the Azure. If you just want to focus on, what all activities I am performing in Azure DevOps project or Azure DevOps board, we can utilize these one. So assigned to me will give you a list of work items which are currently assigned to the user who is signed in. So in my case, if I am the admin user, my name is admin. So I can see, what all work items have been assigned to me. Similarly, if there are any work items which I have been following, and I will show you like, what that following means, that will be listed under following. If there are any work items where a bit like epic features, user story or bugs where my name has been mentioned in the comments or in the discussion, so that will be listed under mentioned, and my activity will give me a kind of a detail about, what all work items I have created, updated or viewed recently. So that way we can kind of get a collective view of the activities that we are performing. So let's first see that what all items have been assigned to me. So these are the ones, so I am the admin user. So you guys can see that I have a user story as well as a task which is assigned, and this is from the current iteration. So if we just try to open the sprints in the new tab, so all we have to do is just right click this one, click and open in a new tab, and here we can just click on the filters. And if I see, give me the items which are assigned to admin. So here you can see I am the admin user, so I have a user story as well as a task, and that is exactly being reflected in the work items view. So we have a user story as well as task which is assigned. Similarly, if I try to click on what all items I have been following, so right now there is none, but I can show you guys how we can follow an item. So in order to do that, we have to clear this filter. Now let's say this is one of the user story which I want to follow, and there could be a different reasons for following it. It could be like, I want to get update on this particular user story. This is of high priority, or I want to collaborate or get regular updates on this particular user story. So all we have to do to follow this particular user story or any other work item is just click on the follow. So that means, we are following it, and now we can close it. Now, if I just go back to the boards and refresh it, so it will show me, this is one of the user story which I have been following. Now if I have to unfollow it, all we have to do is, I can just open it from here itself, and because it is showing me I am following this one. If I again click on this one, so it has kind of like disabled it. And now if I go back to the work items, I can see that there is no other work item which I am following. Similarly, mentioned is something. If I again show you in the sprints view, I can, if there are any comments which are mentioned in the name of the user, or in case, in the name of mine, those will be listed here under mention. And my activity will be anything which I am performing right now. So, whether I have created any work item, whether I have, something is assigned to me, whether I have updated, or in fact, I have viewed in last 30 days. So if I simply expand this one, so this my activity will present, all the items which I have recently performed, viewed, created, updated. And right now you guys can see that there is a column activity date, and it's been sorted on that one. So latest from today, which is 15th of March. So what all activities I am performing. So since I was following this user story, so it's showing me this particular date. And we can change the columns which are appearing here again using the column options. So these are the columns, and if I want, like, let's say state to be appear before area path, I can do that. And this sorting is based on the activity date. So it means, uh, activity dates which is latest, and then the old will appear in the last. So sorting is based on the activity date. Now if I click on OK, so I can see that state has come before the area path, and all this activity which I have performed in the Azure project, it is shown as per the activity date ordering. So that's kind of a brief about work items view. I mean, the first four options, which are primarily for tracking what activity we have been performing or logged in user is performing in the Azure project or board. We can utilize these four options. So thanks everyone. Thank you for watching this brief video, and if you're liking this series and my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.